Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's your weekly snapshot for the AI analysis token, ticker AIAT, where we break down how it performed over the past 7 days, what's driving the price action, and where things could go next. This week, AIAT has been trading around 25 cents, pulling back sharply from last week's range and showing significant volatility. The 24-hour trading volume has been around $350,000, and the market cap is sitting at roughly $36,990,000, placing AIAT around rank number 574 on CoinMarketCap. Over the last 7 days, the price has fallen from the 37-cent zone down to 25 cents, with several deep intraday wicks that briefly pushed the price below major support before recovering. This shows that the market experienced liquidity shocks rather than steady selling pressure. It's worth noting that AIAT is still well below its previous highs, but that also means there's room for upside if momentum returns. Even though the token had a rough week, the recovery back into the mid-0.20 range suggests buyers are still active and watching closely. The fact that volume held steady, even during the sell-offs, is another sign that interest in the token hasn't disappeared. Now, why did AIAT trade this way? The main driver this week was overall crypto market instability. Sharp movements in large cap assets sparked defensive behavior among traders, leading to exaggerated swings in mid-cap tokens like AIAT. With no major ecosystem announcements or new catalysts from the project side, the token followed broader market sentiment. The dramatic downward wicks you see on the chart are typical signs of thin liquidity being hit during fast sell-offs, not necessarily long-term breakdowns. Still, the price stabilizing around 25 cents shows that buyers stepped in to absorb the volatility. So, what's next for AIAT? The technical picture suggests that the token may be forming a new consolidation base. If AIAT can hold above the 0.23 to 0.25 zone and attract new buying volume, we could see a pushback toward 0.28 to 0.30, and if momentum strengthens, potentially 0.32 to 0.34. On the downside, if the market weakens again or liquidity sweeps return, AIAT might revisit the lower levels we saw during the week, though those extreme dips were likely temporary liquidity events rather than sustainable price levels. In short, AIAT spent the week in a volatile correction phase but managed to stabilize. It's now in a rebuilding position, holding steady after significant swings and potentially setting up for its next move. If overall sentiment improves, this could be a strong base for a rebound. That's your AIAT weekly snapshot. We're tracking volume, price action, and market sentiment closely, and next week we'll see whether this new base holds or the token continues to search for direction. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think AIAT is gearing up for a bounce, or are we in for another mixed week? And don't forget to follow for weekly AIAT updates and market analysis. See you next week.